protection from the evil of devil in the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and the most beneficent. Honorable principal, respected teachers and my dear fellows. हजारों साल नरगिस अपनी बेनूरी पे रोती है, हजारों साल नरगिस अपनी बेनूरी पे रोती है, बड़ी मुश्किल से होता है चमन में दीदावर. With due respect and great reverence, we are celebrating the Day of Defense, a cunning enemy we had foreseen. Pakistan Defense Day. History is very interesting and memorable for us to get lesson of unity and commemorate as the unity of Pakistan Army and general public for the defense of Pakistan against the of Indian Army. Here I talk about 6 September 1965. History of September 1965 is very significant day of our army. History: the plan of Indian Army was to be breakfast in Lahore, Gymkhana. Yes, of course, but we make defense it and make the Indian steps. Even it becomes tough for them to hold their lives. No, on this day, the brave Pakistani citizens as well as the armored force present the independence from Indian armored force in Pakistan this day. खूने जिगर देकर निखार देंगे रूहे बढ़ के गुलाब, खूने जिगर देकर निखार देंगे रूहे बढ़ के गुलाब. हमने इस गुलशन के तहफ़्फ़ुज़ की कसम खाई है.